Within the pine forests of Stone County, Mississippi, exists one of the highest concentrations of carnivorous plants in the world. Known as Buttercup Flats, this bog is home to pitcher plants, sundews, bladderworts, and butterworts. Because these plants need full sunlight, conservation workers will regularly burn off the underbrush and selectively cut trees to ensure that competition levels remain low in the bog. The most prominent species of carnivorous plant here is SARRACENIA alata, also known as the pale pitcher plant because of its yellow flowers. These plants employ a pitfall trapping method. Nectar-hungry insects will crawl over to the mouth of the pitcher, fall in, and then be digested. SARRACENIA alata is a highly variable species that can be found in many different shapes and colors. With its massive size, Buttercup Flats supports nearly the entire spectrum of what these plants can look like. An estimated 97% of the natural pine savanna in North America has been destroyed, which leaves Buttercup Flats as one of the last examples of what southeastern Mississippi should look like. Growing below the grasses is this bog's other species of pitcher plant, SARRACENIA PSITTACINA. This pitcher plant uses what is known as a lobster pot style of trapping. Similar to how a lobster or minnow trap would work, insects crawl over to the mouth of the pitcher, believing that the white windows are a way of escape, when in reality, downward pointing hairs will lead them further into the tube where they are eventually digested. Growing along with the alatas is a species of sundew called DROSERA TRACY'S. DROSERA TRACY'S has long arms covered in sticky drops that are capable of trapping and digesting small insects. Other species of sundew in the bog are DROSERA capillaris, also known as the pink sundew, DROSERA BREVIFOLIA, the dwarf sundew, and DROSERA INTERMEDIA, the oblong-leaved sundew. Several species of UTRICULARIA can be found growing here as well, most commonly UTRICULARIA SUBULATA and UTRICULARIA GIBBA. Species in the genus Utricularia use small bladders that trap and digest microorganisms in the water or dirt. Pinguicula lutea, or the yellow butterwort, grows in the drier portions of the bog. The leaves of Pinguicula are covered in thousands of tiny drops of digestive enzymes that are capable of trapping and digesting small insects such as gnats or ants. The bog is home to many different genus of orchid as well. During spring through summer, you will most likely find orchids in the genus Pogonia, Cleistesiopsis, or Calopogon. Thanks to proper management, Buttercup Flats is a great example of what southeastern Mississippi should look like.